tight, mouth shut, eyes wide. Baby, I'm yours. I said, baby, I'm yours.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a future upload. And if you want to see how I got this lemon lime look, then just keep watching.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves, you follow me. Drifting to places I should leave. So close to the edge.
So first I'm just starting off with primer, and I'm going in with my Smashbox 24 Hour.
We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be. Let me go.
Then I'm just setting it with a neutral eyeshadow. Then I'm taking the lime green shade called Mean from the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and I'm blending this in my crease and on my inner and outer lid. Then I'm going in with this deeper green shade called Hatter, and I'm putting it right where I put the lime green shade just to deepen it up.
Try to forget all that we had. I'm rolling like water in the sea.
Then I'm just going back in with that first green shade that I used to blend out the edges.
To the edge of something so worth it. You have the world right at your feet. It almost is all.
And I'm also putting the lime green shade on my lower lash line. Then for my waterline, I'm just using this deep green pencil from ColourPop. And then for the center of my lid, I'm mixing the Electric Daisy and Palm Space Jam from Lemonhead.
Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. Can't find a reason why.
And to highlight my brow bone and inner corner, I'm using the shade Upgrade from the ColourPop Gimme More palette. I'm just applying mascara and some false lashes. Then I'm taking my NYX glitter primer and I'm applying it right where I would put my highlight. Then I'm using these two glitters from Jazzyglitter, and I'm first taking the yellow one and placing it in random spots. And then I'm going in with the Fruit Punch glitter, and I'm using the lime and lemon out of it. And then I'm just using my Wet n Wild bronzer to bronze up my cheeks, forehead, nose, and jawline. And then I'm using the highlighting side of the palette right underneath my bronzer. Then for my blush, I'm using the shade I Will Always Love You from Too Faced. Then I'm just wiping away the highlighting powder. For my lips, I'm starting off with the shade Plan 9 from Kat Von D, and I'm putting this on the edges of my lips. Then I'm just blending it out with a pencil brush.
Missing the way we used to be. Let me go. Let me in this mess.
And then I'm taking Jeffree Star Queen Bee and I'm blending this right in the center to create an ombre effect.
Find a reason why. Can't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. Can't get any closer. Can't find a reason why.
And then I'm using my white Wet n Wild paint pot to outline the edges of my lips.
Can't get any closer. Try to forget.
I'm also adding white lines on the inside of my lips just so it looks more like a lime.
I'm rolling like water in the sea.
And then I'm using my NYX black liner just to make the dots.
Close to the edge of something so worthy. You had the world right at your feet. It almost is all we'll ever be.
And then to set everything, I'm using my MAC Fruity Juicy Fix Plus.